You know what, actually, quick disclaimer that I'll put at the beginning of the video as well. This video is not great. You're not going to get much out of it. There's no redeeming elements like yesterday's video or anything to learn or that. And I'm just telling you up front at face value, this video is, you're not going to get anything out of it. I'm just going to try to edit it like a music video or something like that with a bunch of weird, cool transitions for no reason and do my best. So apologies in advance for that, and if you continue on, it's at your own discretion.
Alex, it's 3 p.m. You just spent the first 6 hours of your day in the coffee shop editing. You're an idiot. You're in Los Angeles, Alex. Why would you do that? Why would you waste your time like that? Because the videos are very important, and however long they take to edit, they take to edit. Editing is my favorite part of this because that's where the video is actually created. And also, yesterday, well, the video I just edited and put up, entitled Try, probably one of my favorite videos I've made just because the message I got across, and it's a message I've been trying to put out and get out for the longest amount of time. So, that's why I spent the first 6 hours. Oh my God, I was in there for 6 hours. I was in there since 9 a.m. and it's 3. Editing. Focus on what's important. I don't care that I'm in Los Angeles. Yeah, great. I'm here. It's awesome. I love it. It's warm. The weather is incredible. But the videos are #1 priority. If I'm not making videos, there's no reason for me to be here. No idea what's on the schedule today. I know me and Casimir are gonna go play basketball and we're gonna eat, and then I'm not sure. It's 3 o'clock already. Dude, it's so nice out today. It's so nice out today. All right, see you whenever. Oh, I'm very, very excited. There's one reason I'm excited to go back to Michigan in a month. Like, I don't want to go back, and I still am trying not to, and like trying to get a job and stuff. But if and when I go back, probably will have to. The one thing I'm excited about, as well as my family and whatever, great. Lynch Pony Island. I miss it so much, and when I get back, I'm making a video about it. And that's probably gonna get cut. You have no idea how much stuff I cut from a video. Like, I filmed all yesterday, and I only put the last, like, what was supposed to be the last, like, third of the video in. But it's all good. All right, I've talked for too long outside of a coffee shop here for no reason. See you when we do whatever. Probably playing basketball next. All right, ready? It is 7:40 p.m. I filmed nothing today. I mean, like, I filmed a couple things, you've seen it, but I haven't really filmed anything today. Yesterday's video is not going to be top today. Yesterday's video was something I've been trying to make for a very long time, and I think I really got my point across, and it resonated, at least with me watching it back. And I'm happy with how that turned out. Today's video is not going to be conceptual. It's not going to be super entertaining. This is too shaky. It's not going to be super entertaining, and it's not going to be super whatever. But daily videos, gotta get it out, gotta figure that out. I'm not going to put a lot of this basketball in because I don't know, it just seems weird. But I did get this one.
Right-handed shooter, hitting that ball well out with the left
hand. It's 7:40. I'm gonna go to Hollywood Boulevard. Unfortunately, I hate Hollywood Boulevard. It's disgusting and gross, and there's so many people. I gotta get new pants because I only have this one pair of pants, and they're starting to wear out. All right, I'll catch you with whatever I do next. Catch you? Why do I say catch you, Alex? As much as I hate Hollywood Boulevard, I do love this view, and man, I leave in less than a month now. I'm gonna miss this city. I'm gonna miss it. It's awesome. Let's go shop. Let's go get some pants. I hate shopping so much.
So these are the current pants, and these are the pants I'm gonna gonna go buy them now. Dad, stop looking at the screen.
See, Fat Sal's is like right over, like this direction here, a couple blocks that way. And me and Casimir are gonna go there now, and I gotta go back, get him, come back here, and then go. It's cool. All right, gonna go do that now, and that'll be the end of the video. Is Fat Sal. All right.
Not the trouble lights on.
We both in frame?
Sorta.
Welcome to the end of the video. We're gonna quickly review
don't like those.
What we got from Fat Seth's, but yeah, but it makes it, we need them for the. I got buffalo chicken cheese fries. I'm gonna go with this 8 out of 10. They're very good, and I don't feel like a giant fat piece of shit, just a little bit of a fat piece of shit. Casimir.
Hot take. I feel like a fat piece of shit. However, it was delicious. I had mozzarella and gravy, which is poutine for all my Canadian viewers. You have any Canadian viewers?
I don't know.
I'll go with it also 8 out of 10. I had a shake where they blend a piece of cheesecake in it.
And strawberries, right?
Yeah, it was weird. It was good. I'm gonna go 7.5 out of 10.
I'm so disappointed. That thing is a 10 out of 10 every time.
It was really good. It just had the cheesecake consistency as a drink.
I figured since this video didn't really have anything to it, I'd add some kind of redeeming element while I unbox and lace up these shoes that I traded for, because I've wanted them for like a while. They're NBA Converse, the association in here. Anyway, I'm gonna go white laces on one. I'm gonna go blue laces on the other. It's either red or blue, and I think blue works better. Anyway, I want to talk to the people who have been regularly commenting or subscribing or anything. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Like, that's crazy that like anybody comments regularly or watches my videos at all, considering I'm absolutely awful. I wonder when this is all going to come crashing down eventually, and just my life is going to be incomplete soon. It'll be soon enough. Yesterday's video was probably my favorite video I've put out. I think I talked about this morning, but I don't remember ever. It's a content I've been trying to get across since I've started making videos. So overall, sorry that today's video wasn't great. Tomorrow's will be much better, probably, maybe not. But again, if you've gotten here, that means you made it through all the great edits. Great, the fancy BS edits that didn't add anything to the story, because there was no story. So thank you very much for watching. You very appreciate it. Have a great night. Be nice to other people, and see you tomorrow. Like Nardwar right now.
Carlos Boozer. I wonder what he's doing.
The 08 Olympic team would not beat the Dream Team, bro.